Very good.
Very good. What other? Gimana hari ini? Moodnya kalian gimana?
Good.
Very good. Very good. No one getting sad maybe? Ada yang sedih kan?
No.
Oke. Sebelum kita mulai pembacaan kita seperti biasa kita berdoa dulu. Silakan doa dimulai.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam.
Before we start, I will check your name or absence, okay? Yes. Who is absent for today? Siapa yang absent? Susiati.
In our first meeting, we have learned about opinion and talks. First, we have learned about structured text. Consists of asking opinion, giving opinion, personal point of view, and general point of view. Example from asking opinion, what do you think about? Example from giving opinion, I think. Example from personal point of view is and does. And the last, possessive determiners. Example, my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. That's the point we have learned before.
Okay, very good. Mengidentifikasi situasi yang menunjukkan pernyataan motivation to learn opinion and talk. Apa sih yang menyebabkan kita harus belajar opinion and talk itu seperti apa? Because we want to express our opinion when we see something, when we feel someone to get the trophy because maybe of her acting or her movie. And then the second one, question maybe. Okay, Amel, good. What is your question based on when you see the picture?
How to start giving opinion?
How?
How to start giving opinion?
How to start giving opinion? Okay, good. Thank you, Amel. Good. And the second one ada lagi maybe yang menentukan pertanyaan. Okay, lady.
How we know this question when we want to give opinion?
How we know the situation when we want to give opinion? Okay, good. Very good. If you doesn't have any question about our material, so tulis we are champ. Kemudian dilanjut sama Vina yang mana ini? Ini. We. Okay, we start. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Rasakan pada gambar. Jadi Wana sampai akhirnya ke si Putri.
Beda.
Sama-sama daun cuma bentuk. Ini pertama, kedua, ketiga. Oke.
We are from group 1 and we will presentation our answer from activity. The first opinion is strong opinion. It is
The opinion that someone gave is really very bervariasi ya. Dia memberikan jawaban yang bervariasi. Contohnya, I strongly believe that man doesn't understand how serious is COVID-19.
We are from group 3. We will present our answer from the academy. So guys, let's see the PowerPoint to check on our answer. First, I am absolutely certain that the local product is good and halal. Second is menu. I believe that local products are cheaper and of legal quality. Third is weak. I am fairly certain that local products is used compact of the government to save local industry.
Okay, that's
Thank
it.
thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
With our
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to presentation our activity. So please pay attention to PowerPoint to see our answer. Number 2 is strong and one. The word is strong opinion. I strongly believe that tolerance is the main thing that can maintain our holiness. Number 2 is median opinion. I don't doctrine religious diversity in Indonesia. Is a reflection of Pancasila. Number 3 is weak opinion. I think religious diversity has succeeded in unity us in differences. Okay, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
kita konfirmasi ya dari segi bacanya ya. The first one. Jadi ini gambar tentang kemudian yang strongly, kalau Bapak memberikan I strongly believe that tolerance is the main thing that can maintain our wellness. Artinya saya oke, Hairul, good. And
After we learn for today, we have a lot of experience. We already know our opinion is divided into three first. Strong opinion, medium opinion, weak opinion. A lot of opinion is can use to make other people believe in our opinion. With our opinion.
Oke, Hairul mengkonfirmasi bahwa kita telah mempelajari berbagai macam ilmu dari opini. Okay, thank you so much, Hairul. Thank you so much. Setelah Hairul tampil, Miss punya ini nanti akan kalian nilai performa kalian dari yang saya berikan observasi. juga tugas kalian akan kerjakan di rumah ya.
Yes.
Nah, sebelum kita tutup pembelajaran kita hari ini, I want to say thank you so much for your attention. Hope we are to have in the next meeting, in the third meeting. Nanti di pertemuan selanjutnya, pertemuan 3 kita akan berjumpa dengan materi yang sama, tapi level psikomotorik, bukan lagi konsep. Di pertemuan 3 kita akan banyak membuat dia nanti kalian tampilkan, kalian beri nanti feedback ke kawan-kawan kalian. Oke, sebelum kita tutup pembelajaran kita, silakan berdoa.
Asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Amin.